Salam everyone. Today we're going to look at Amharic letters that have the same sound. This video is part 1 of 2. Now let's dive in. The first letters we're going to look at both make the S sound. Se, 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 su, su, si, si, sa, sa, se, se, s, s, so, so, se, su, si, sa, se, s, so. The next letters we're going to look at make the H sound. All three are pronounced ha. Ha, 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 hu, he, ha, he, ho, ha, hu, he, ha, he, ho. Notice how the first and fourth letters of all categories is pronounced ha. So a fun fact is that all these 6 letters have the exact same sound, the ha sound. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you later.